liquid nitrogen cannon. So what we saw was we put the liquid nitrogen into the cannon, and then it warmed up and wanted to take up a whole lot more space. But there was a cork on the top, so it couldn't take up any more space until it shot the cork out. So what I'm going to do here, pretty soon, I'm going to fill this bottle up with liquid nitrogen, and then I'm going to put the cap back on so that the liquid nitrogen can't go anywhere. So what do you think will happen? They'll explode, right? Yeah, all right. So I'm going to get Conan to help me a little bit with this. All right. So he's going to hold on to this cap, and I'm going to fill this up with liquid nitrogen. A little more. All right, I think that should be enough. I'm going to put the cap on. All right, so you might want to cover your ears. This could get a little loud. All right. So you can see the bottle's actually completely destroyed. All right, so I've got one last demo to show you. So I'm going to get this out of the way. I'm going to get this bucket of water here. And so this water is a lot warmer than the liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is really, really cold. And so if I pour a bunch of liquid nitrogen into the water, it's going to turn into a gas. And gases take up a lot more space. Well, I've also got a little soap here, and so I'm going to add just a little bit of soap into here.
Oh, wait. God, I think that might be a little bit too much.
Okay, well, yeah, maybe that's all too much.
Yeah.
All right. Well, anyways, so I'm going to need to get my glasses out of here. Here we go. So I'd like to explain. So what we have in there is a bunch of soap and water. And so what's going to happen is we're going to put the liquid nitrogen into there, and then it's going to get really, really warm and turn into a gas. So we're going to have gas and bubbles. And does anybody know what do we get when we have gas and bubbles, or gas and soap? I just gave the answer away. Bubbles, right? We get some bubbles. So I'm going to just give me a little minute here. I'm going to grab this and. All right, so I'm going to get situated. Get this liquid nitrogen and get ready to pour this in there. All right, so actually, Jim, can you come around here? Can you lift up those corners, because this might get a little messy? And just, if I can get you guys to move back. All right, so hold a little lower so everybody can still see. So this might get a little big. Actually, you'll see? I think I need a little more soap, actually. Let me try to put a little more soap in. Maybe if I... a little.
Yes, a little bit more.
Oh. Okay, well, this will still work, right? Maybe if I took the cap out of here. Yeah, well, this should still work, right? Yeah, of course it'll work. All right, so I'm going to fill this in here. So I promise everybody will be able to see this. So I just need to, actually this is a little bit much nitrogen. Let me pour out a little bit of nitrogen. All right, we don't want this to get too big and explode. All right, ready to count down for 5?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, God. Where's Scott? Oh my God. Oh my God. I just did that. I did use that. Okay. Alright, so that's the last demo we have for you guys. I'd like to thank you all for coming out here. And if anybody has any questions, I can answer some of those now.